beautiful people, I'm Nancy Obebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Then let's make this cookies shortbread. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. So here I'll be using margarine and I'll be adding in my icing sugar. Okay, please, I have a review on this recipe and I want you to stay tuned. Watch till the end to hear the review about this recipe. Okay, so this is where the work is. I'm gonna whisk this till the color changes from this very yellow to white. So we're gonna mix until we get the consistency that we want. And after that, I'll be adding in my vanilla extract. So this is for flavor. Whisk everything together to combine. Next, I'll add in my flour. So I'm gonna sieve this flour to remove unwanted particles. So I'm gonna do this in batches until I exhaust the flour that I have at hand. So I'm gonna mix everything together. This whisk was a bit difficult for me to use, but we'll continue. So next I'll be adding in my corn flour, milk powder. I'm gonna mix everything together. As I said, I couldn't go ahead with this whisk, so I'll be using my hand to do this. Thank you, amazing people, for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support and I'm not taking your love for granted. And if you're coming across my video for the very first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here we'll make amazing recipe that you will love. Please subscribe, stay connected, share the video to your friends and your loved ones, okay? And you can check the channel, you'll see what you like on the channel. Definitely you will see what you like. So all I'm doing here is to mix everything together and I'm gonna form a dough from this, okay? So this is what I got and I'm gonna transfer it into my cling film and into the refrigerator. So I'm gonna refrigerate this for about 30 minutes and continue. Alright, so this is after 30 minutes. My dough is solid enough, okay? The reason for refrigerating is for it to be a bit firm, okay, while rolling it. I'm gonna cover this with my baking sheet and roll it out with my rolling pin. So while flattening it, don't make it too flat so that your shortbread will not be too flat. So I'm gonna cut this to the shape and sizes I want. I told you something before that I was gonna tell you something about this recipe from the beginning of the video. I have been seeing this recipe for a while now, so I wanted to give it a try. It's not milky like the normal shortbread we know, okay? So maybe it's the margarine instead of butter. I don't really know, but this is what I got and the taste was buttery instead of milky, okay? So I said let me give you a quick review on this, how it came out. You can still try, the result is still good. So I'll transfer it into my oven and I'm gonna bake this till it is done. So this is my final look. This is how it is looking. Try this recipe and I'll see you in my next video. From me is bye.